So yeah, I'm back at it, and I found all these 2x4s, and maybe for some pallet construction. Let's see how that goes. That's loud. I don't really like being loud. Ooh, that almost busted that thing. That wall. I heard a crack. Yeah, that thing's kind of heavy. I made no money today, man. I hear somebody yelling. Made no money today. More yelling. No! Some guys are looking for the property manager. Well, I did not accomplish what I set out, but my daughter's hungry and she's crying that she's hungry, and I forgot the keys to get into the compound, and it's starting to get dark and I don't want to get locked in here. Does it look any different? Not at all. Is it a disappointment? Absolutely. Do I want it to stay like this? Not at all. How many people do you see working here? Just one. I had somebody tell me to shut up about complaining about being the only person working. Can you believe that? The only reason why I'm saying that is because it's like a losing proposition talking back about the commenters. Okay? It's like you can't win that battle. But I'll keep trying. My point is, people are always looking for progress. You're not going to see progress. Like visual progress, you're not going to see it. So if you're looking for that, you need to watch a different channel. Because every video I ever show of this place is going to look the same. That's pretty much my claim, because this isn't a place that I arrive to and like, hey, we got all this stuff to clean up and haul out of here. New stuff comes in, other stuff leaves daily. So it is here where I have the luxury to sort and disassemble and hoard certain items. Such as, if I want to turn in some Christmas lights, I guess I could go like some methamphetamine head and turn in like 1 pound of Christmas lights. There's 15 cents. Or, since I have this place, I can hold on to it until I have 100, 200, 300 pounds or more of said particular item. Or not. What's it looking like in here? Well, upon entering here, it's going to look the same. Same burnt out lights. Okay. Same big old mess, pretty much. Same radio station with the same guy yapping.
Plans to evacuate the embassy in Baghdad, sir? None. Okay. Any plans to pull some of the 5,000
Well, this thing works, I guess.
We put real pressure on this on-public Iran. We will continue to do so. The President said today.
Oh, they want to. We haven't gone to war on the radio there. We haven't gone to war or anything like that in a long time. And the powers that be keep trying to push a war. Which is annoying. We don't need that, do we?
So the Trump administration is not back.
I got this battery.
Again, it's always amusing to watch.
It's charged up, and I could take it with me, I guess. Sure, I got probably a few $1,000s worth of scrap if I put my nose to the grindstone. And but each day you turn stuff out. Like, you got like really nasty scrap, like those TVs. It has to be mixed with some fresh stuff, and it definitely can't go into the dumpster. Because look at this, throws good. I know, drill holes in the bottom of the barrel. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay, hear me. I don't want to do that. There must be a reason why. I don't want to do that. I have a few that have, the ones that I use that have holes in them. Okay, this one's got, are the ones that have the bottom is cracked or broken. Okay, so this one, this is why I won't do that. Okay, this one has a hole in it. Okay, it doesn't hold on to water. I don't want all of my barrels with holes in the bottom. Okay, so I just showed you. That one is mine with holes in the bottom. Okay, it's broken. Some don't have holes in the bottom. This one's got a big hole, a crack in the bottom, so it doesn't fill with water. I'm gonna take this bucket home with me. I never liked that symbol right there. They've been pushing that since I was a kid. But you're into the recycling business. Go Go figure it out for yourself. I don't know. That's what I'll tell the commenters. So I came here with the intention on getting all this cleared out of here, pushed back down there or whatever. That trailer moved over to that empty space by that Chevy Blazer or something, and the tires inflated on that white truck, and that thing moved. But did it happen? Nope. Didn't happen. More cardboard for the... I'm using these pickup truck beds as sorting bins. To which I had another commenter say, take a pickup truck bed, which these things are really heavy, okay? All that's in here is cardboard. Okay, I can't even lift this thing, okay? It's that heavy, okay? It's really heavy. So's that thing. Take the pickup truck bed and put it on the camper trailer. Are you kidding me? These steel boxes weigh more than that crappy ass trailer with that aluminum and that fake wood. So that would mean I'm putting something really heavy on top of something that's, nah, these things aren't really the... Why would you do that? Why would you take a pickup truck bed, which is actually smaller than this thing, and it weighs a lot more than this crappy construction? Why would you put that heavy thing on here? Taking all this off, why would you put that on the axle? I don't know. I'm not getting it. Maybe there's somebody out there that can explain it and withstand my refuting of said reason why. You kind of want to keep, when it comes to scrap, you kind of want to keep things as, when it comes to the machines that are moving the scrap anyway, you want to keep it as light as possible, I would imagine. But hey, maybe somebody knows something more than I. I think I see the property manager from over here. Yep. He's walking over there. Sometimes there's a good battery inside these things. This one, of course, this unit was found in Joliet, so looks a little corroded to me. When I pushed the button, it didn't even click. All right, kids, I accomplished nothing. Except I'm using these to sort. This is for the dirty or breakage aluminum. That's for the trash. All right. So that's helping me get things sorted. A couple of commenters said use the pickup truck boxes to help sort the place. So seems like it's working. I don't know. But then again, I had people say use the camper to help sort stuff. Well, it was working for a little while, you know, and then, well, me happened, and it pretty much stopped working. What I would like to do is take breakage aluminum to the scrapyard tomorrow. Maybe some stainless, and maybe some crummy tin shred, and then let the scrapyard know that I'm ready. I'm ready for you guys. So I'm gonna take it away because I have inventory I'm building up, which I've had people, I had a commenter tell me, hey, start building pallets and save up wood. Okay, well, we are going to do that. Okay, we're going to give it a go. That's why I'm saving these 2x4s. We're gonna give it a go. Hey, you know, if I could turn this into a pallet manufacturing business, I wouldn't be scrapping so much anymore. Just you know, wherever they get their wood from, instead of me digging around looking for scrap wood, you know, just have the wood delivered. Have the wood delivered here, and I get my nail gun and tear into it. Go $2.40, selling them at $3 a pop. We'll experiment though first. We'll construct. I will build a maiden load of scrap. Of pallets. Okay, and that will be my experiment. Selling them at $3 a pop. Building them to my crummy specifications. And seeing how it goes. And if it goes, I'll build some more, see how that works. And if that goes, then I'll build I don't want to build a gazillion of them and then I can't sell them. Okay, so I'm going to tiptoe into this, see what happens. And if it fails, I'll call the guy out. And if it works, sweet. Let's see what's in the pile over here. Looks like there's some breakage aluminum. Maybe I can dig through the pile. Yeah, there's some crappy aluminum. I don't know what that door is made out of. Let's go see what the door is made out of. This looks like it was a semi-trailer. Well, that's not aluminum, that's pretty much all. Well, this is aluminum on the outside, so I guess that could qualify. I'd have to sawzall that in half. There ain't no way. If this was cleaned up, it could be clean aluminum, but it looks like a lot of work. There's a door here. Look at the bugs. Freaking mosquitoes. And it's January 2. What the? Well, I never seen bugs this time of year around here. Oh, wait a minute, last year, like around January 15th, I seen some ladybugs flying around. I almost forgot about that. I didn't see any mosquitoes. Well, it was really kind of warm last winter, all the way up until about January 15th, and then the bottom fell out. I mean, it was so cold. But nobody ever rags on this guy. Look at them pickup trucks, haven't been running since probably since the Roosevelt era, right? Since World War II. I don't hear anybody ever rag on that guy. What are you saving that thing for? Well, this door did not close all the way. We slam it again. Well, I hope you all like the longer videos. Okay? Well, I ain't gonna watch much of them, but okay. I'll see you in the next. Remember, ring that bell, and bye.